What is going on, everybody? We are in the unbox corner today. That means we're unboxing some new products. If you've been following me on social media, you may know that I won the TESBROS giveaway. So I got a ton of products here. You can't even see all of them right now because some of them are underneath the table, but we're gonna unbox some of these today, tell you my plans for some of them, and give some updates on the car as well. So stay tuned and we'll get into these unboxings. So first off, we got this small package. This is 1 of 5, so I believe this is all of the smaller stuff. So I'm going to get into that now and see what we got in here. Throw that over there. Okay. All right, so first up, looks like we got a screen protector. So this is the matte glass screen protector from TESBROS, and I actually already have one of these, so I'm going to check this out. If I feel like I need to install this, then I will swap it out. But if I don't, this might be a potential giveaway item for one of you lucky viewers. So we'll put that aside for now and see what else we got in here. They sent all kinds of stuff in here. So, okay, so this is the interior PPF bundle. So it's got the door kick, the door sill, and the glove box in there. I am like terrible at installing this stuff, so this is something I want to install, but I might see if anybody locally might be able to do that for me if I can hire them. Let's see if we can even get this open. Oh gosh, oh gosh. Oh, it opens this way. That's weird. Okay. Yeah, so just some pre-cut PPF stuff here, and yeah, pretty much it. Nothing too exciting there. You can kind of see some of the PPF in there, but I'm going to leave that all kind of separate so I know what is what here. But we'll put that aside for now. Get into our next goodie here. I don't know if you guys can see in this box, but like, look how full this is. They packed it to the brim in here. This is awesome. Next up, we got the Chrome Delete. Finally, this is something I've been wanting to get for a while, and again, if you've seen any of my install videos where I've tried to do the vinyl installs, I'm not very good at them.
No.
So again, I might see if I can hire somebody locally here to do this for me. How does this open up again? We got it all in here. We've got some squeegees. We've got this thing. We've got a ton of stuff in here. Again, I'm just gonna kind of leave that so you guys can see what's all in there, but they got literally everything in here. The one part I might be able to do on my own is actually the dash wrap. I think that's probably one of the easier things to do, so I might attempt that before hiring somebody. But yeah, there's the Chrome Deletes. So we'll put that away and set it aside here. Another white box. Okay. Car cleaning starter bundle. Okay. So yeah, TESBROS just announced that they're kind of getting into the car cleaning space. So I am looking forward to seeing what is in here, because I definitely need some new stuff. All right, we got some spray nozzles there. And they've got whole suites of cleaner stuff in here. Look at that. So we got the, what's right here? We got the glass cleaner, we got the interior cleaner, we got the waterless car wash, okay, and we got the car wash shampoo. So whole line of products there from TESBROS. So interested to check those out when it gets a little bit nicer out. If you watch my car wash video, I recently changed complexes actually, so I can't wash my car in that wash bay anymore. So I've been just going to touchless washes here in Columbus, but hopefully I can find somewhere where I can check out these products, especially when it gets a little bit nicer, because I do not enjoy washing my car when it's freezing cold out. Okay, so we'll pack that back up. Okay, what's next? All right, we got another car cleaning starter bundle. Are these the same? Is this a set of 2 here? Yep. All right, so this is the same thing. I'm not going to unpackage all of it, but you guys can see got the same stuff in there. Since I got 2 of these, this might be a potential giveaway item as well. I've collected a lot of car stuff for my Model 3, and honestly, I haven't used all of it, so I want to do a big giveaway at 5,000 subscribers, and some of this stuff might be in the mix there. What else we got here? We got a steering wheel wrap. I'm not sure how I feel about these. I kind of like how the stock steering wheel looks, but might give these a shot. Again, not great at installing vinyl wrap, so this might be something I give away or hold off on. Okay, we'll set that aside. We've got the Model 3 and Y jack pads. So unlike normal cars, the Model 3 and Model Y have to be like propped up a certain way. So TESBROS has made these jack pads to kind of help prop them up. So I'll show you guys what they look like here. These are huge. I didn't realize how big these are. Oh my gosh. Those are high quality though. Those look nice. Yeah, look at that. Pure honesty here, I've never jacked my car up to change tires or anything like that. So definitely gonna hang on to these for when I finally get a garage though and can start doing a lot of this stuff myself. But yeah, those are high quality. Okay, we'll put those aside. I don't even know where I'm gonna put all this stuff. I don't have a garage right now. We've got some other big items. If you already know what was in the giveaway, you probably have an idea of what those are. Put that aside. Okay, what else here? Let's do this other box. Another exterior PPF bundle, or I guess the exterior PPF bundle. So we got the rear trunk, the HOV, the door handles, and the fog light / headlight. But yeah, you guys can see all the stuff we got in there. More PPF kits in there. We do not have an HOV lane here in Ohio, so this might be something fun to give away on Twitter maybe to some of my California followers. Next up, we got the center console wrap. I've already got a matte black center console wrap on there. Again, I did a terrible job if you watched my install video. So again, I might hire somebody to put this on the correct way. And we got the door switch wraps. I actually have been thinking about installing some of these. I might open these up actually, see what they look like. Oh man, that's sticky. Oh no. Yeah, okay. Yeah, those look pretty neat. I think I'm gonna keep those. Hello. You get to see me unbox everything. Yeah. Okay, the last thing in here is the dashboard wrap. So it's all wrapped up nice here. Like I was saying, this is something I might be able to install myself. So definitely hanging on to that one. Okay, that's all in this box. It is all empty now. Okay. How do I want to do this? I'm going to go with this one first. Okay. These boxes are gigantic. So I was coming home from running errands today, and I live on the second floor and saw all these sitting down there, so I had to carry them all up to my apartment by myself. Oh, there's more. Okay. Oh man, we need like an overhead shot. I don't know how I want to do this. I'm going to slide it out this way so you guys can see it better. Probably a little bit safer. Kind of shimmy it out. Perfect. So much on here. I'm glad they packaged them so nicely though, because these could have easily gotten damaged in shipping. So shout out to TESBROS for doing it the right way. I'm afraid to like take all this off, but I want to show them what it looks like. I'll just go for it. I can always kind of wrap them back up. Botched the reveal. I already half revealed it. There it is. The powder-coated wheels. Aren't those beautiful? Those look really nice. Oh. So these are the... Alright. You guys can see that alright. Take some of this off so you can kind of see it. There we go. See a little bit of the edge before I curb rash them. Alright. Here's the big one. So these are the 19-inch sport wheels that come stock if you get the sport wheels for the Model 3. I believe these are the older ones though, because they're a little bit more curved. But plans for these, since I already have a set of wheels, these are now going to become my summer tires. So I'm going to get some new tires because I will need new tires in the summer. They're starting to get a little bit worn down. So planning on putting summer tires on these around March, April-ish. So I'll take off my Aero wheels that I've got on right now. I'll get some nice summer, probably some more sporty tires to put on here, put those on my car, and then keep the Aero wheels to use as my winter tires or just kind of extra set of tires for when I need them or when the weather gets a little bad. Those look really cool. What do you think? TESBROS pimping out my ride. So obviously, can't install all these right now. I don't want to ruin my car because it's snowy and icy here in Ohio. So a lot of this is going to be installed over kind of a long period of time. Probably do some of the PPF stuff now while it is gross out to try to protect my paint a little bit more and get the chrome delete on. But this car is going to look awesome once I've got this on, the chrome delete, some of this other stuff that I want to install. So big thank you to TESBROS for putting on this contest. Thank you to all of you that used my link to sign up. That's where I got a lot of the points and got entered into the drawing to do this. So like I said, I'm planning on giving some of this stuff away because I do not need all this stuff and I don't just want to hold it. So stay tuned to this channel, my different social medias. They're all linked down below for different giveaways I want to do. But yeah, there's the wheels. That's the big one. I've got a whole stack of boxes. Let's get it all up here. So I'll probably need to do a thumbnail. Alright, so again, shout out to TESBROS for doing this contest. Really awesome that they did something like this. Hope they do something again soon and other people have a chance to win. But yeah, that'll be it for this one. Make sure you stay tuned to the channel, and I'll be installing a lot of this stuff over the next few weeks. Again, before we go, this year I really want to do more consistent videos. So these kind of videos where I'm either reviewing a product or like checking out things on my car or updating things on my car, those will probably come sometime during the week. And then my main videos, my ones that I script and really put a lot of time into and get good footage for and do a lot of research for, those will all come on Sundays, preferably around 11:30 is where I'm planning on posting them. But things like this where I'm just checking out accessories or doing things like this, unboxings, that sort of fun, more fun videos, I guess, will come throughout the week and a little bit more interspersed and a little bit more random because I don't know when I'm going to be doing these kinds of things. So thank you all for supporting the channel. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next video.